Hello everyone. In today's session, let's see how to create Amazon AWS account. Search for AWS, click on this first link and click on create a free account. So for now we need to have some email IDs. So let's create one email ID. Let's create a new email ID like let's okay. Let's solve this puzzle. Okay. Email ID has been created. Let's give this email ID here. Let's use some different password. Okay, click on continue. Yeah, now it has taken to this page where it is asking my contact information. Let's select this as personal and give some random number like and this is India and some random address. Okay, let's create an account and this is asking our debit or credit card details. Let's give our debit card details. Okay, and do you have PAN? Let's say no and just verify and add. That's it. Yeah, now it is asking for the mobile verification. Let's give a mobile number. Okay, 1984 is my verification code and done. Now we have this AWS free account. So let's sign into our console. Let's enter our password. And now we have successfully created our AWS account, and this is the AWS account page. And you can create your virtual machines right away, but because of some security reasons we need to wait for an hour, then we can create our virtual machines. In the next sessions I'll show you how to create a virtual machine and connect it using putty, and also connecting to that EC2 instance using Windows terminal. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please do comment. Thanks for watching.